I would like to show you samples of how I do the resizing. I would like to show you my how I do it. So if you have a better method, please use a method. I will use this earring as a samples. This is medium earrings. So I would like to select these three as a samples. So I usually will move this to another folders more easy to do save as, because if you open it one by one and then do it save as on the same folder, you will mess up the file name and mess up all the, because you are really hard to find the file name because it's really quite look the same and this angle is very similar if you have a thumbnails only. So I would like to put it on the different folders. So I open this in the Photoshop. First of all, I have to align all the products because you can see there's a three colors and I will show one more thing, because all the three colors are from one master file, and then only the product color change. The shadow is the same. So all I have to do is to just copy the products and then copy the products and then close it, the unused file, and then select it and align it. That's it. And then I'll find a grid for this earring. I will show you each individual product grid and how to resize the products in each individual grid, because every grid will have a different resize method. This is a earring grid, you can see, and then this is you can see you want to understand that it's from the medium. So this group, this folder here is a medium size. All are medium size earrings. So some of them are smaller size, bigger size, will follow different size of wrist. So this is a medium. So I would like to show you now. This is a more complicated one. That's why I like to show you this sample, this one as a sample. So you can see there's three grid line here: large, medium, small. In each individual triangle. So I fit this medium earring into the medium grid, fit inside, and then that's it. The product should be smaller, because the product should be smaller in all the categories. We are not going to enlarge anything. We'll resize us, make it smaller, and then this is medium. I fit the product in the medium, and then you can see the resize is finished, and then but there are more things to do. After you delete this grid, you can see the shadow is cut, and then the background with on the background we have a texture, so we have to remove this texture and then make the shadow, not to recreate the shadows, because to recreate the shadow is too complicated. I don't recommend you to do it. So I have to do is just to make it blur, as maybe erase some of the shadows. So, but one more thing is about the background, because we have a color background right now, but we have a very special color for all the products. The color I would like to show you now is for all products. The product RGB is 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 6, and the 2, 4, 5. This is the color for all the products. So we put it on the back, and then multiply, because this is shadows, and you can see the background color is different and the shadow is cropped. So all I have to do is just remove this texture first. All I need is to dust and scratch. Yeah, this is the parameters I use, 24 and 0. And make sure sometimes, because sometimes this dust and scratch, you'll understand, it will make something real here, something here, something real here. So make sure we have to clean it up after that. So make sure it's dust and scratch, and then we have to make the background white, and then because I can see there's a boundary is here, so all I have to do is make something here beyond this level, and then okay, so all the backgrounds should be in the same color, and then yeah, you can see, oh, there's there's no jumping on the RGB, so everything is fine. And then I have to make the shadows more smooth. All just have to do is just erase or paint the white, or maybe paint the white, not to erase it. Maybe paint white, just paint white. Oops. Oh, sorry, it's a brush. Paint white. Just paint a bit of white, make it less obvious, the gap, and then that's it. And make sure the layers of our background, this background, is in this name. What we want is a 247, 246, and 245. This is the color of this background, because we may have to change the color of this background in different scenario, so we have to align this color is consist. So make sure you change this name, or you have to copy and paste from the other files. Exactly this layers is the solid fill layer with this color, the color I talked before, and there's the naming also important, is this naming. And then we merge this, or maybe we just keep this as a shadows. It's fine. Just and keep this as a background. And then we have to save as all the files again. This one is white, it's a yellow gold, so this one I have to remove these two color first. This is yellow gold, and save it first, and then yellow gold, finish, and then we'll do the rose gold, and then save as. You can see here is all the three files we are working on. So this is a rose gold, save as, okay, and then the remove rose gold, there's only white gold left, so save as the white gold, save as, yes, replace it, that's it. This one is finished. And one thing about is what I don't recommend to do, just not to do it, is to adjust the photos one by one, but not align all the products together in the same layers. Because if you have resized the products one by one, it is a sample only. It's a sample. If you align it not one by one, because you are adjusted by the resized by the eyes only. So if you have something like this, adjust it one by one. When you switch to different size, different colors, it will jump bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller. They are not aligned when customers switch the color. So make sure you have to put it all the product in same file and then resize at the same time and then save as each folder individually. Thank you.